Holy oranging back britches, Batman! Where's the headlights? Well, they're underneath there, Robin. And this is a Mark 6. Mark 6? Oh my! With tiny little wheels. Look at that though. All those different colors, blended, different layers. Swirls. Orange upholstery. Somebody liked orange. Orange mask even. Orange wipes. Orange stink. I wonder what it can do. Bounce? Hip hop? Jam? Maybe there's speakers in the back. What do you think? Let me know what you think they may have done with this beauty, or if you do know what they've done with this beauty, put down in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe. In loving memory of Emma Nicole, we miss you. God rest her soul. No, that's not written there. That's me, people. And if you don't believe in God, well, whatever you believe in, may it be wonderful for you. And people respect you. I respect everyone. And I especially respect the cars that are shown at these shows. Remember, don't touch unless you're invited to touch. These take a lot of time to put together, and they're all beauties, every single one of them. Now stay tuned for more cars, trucks, automobiles, whatnots, here on Willis Talk. Rev those engines and go!